Hello class and welcome to week 4 of English 102 Online. For this week in English 102 Online, we will be continuing with the Automation and Freedom module. I have to admit that I failed to somehow post the assignment for Automation and Freedom Discussion number 2, assignment 5, Automation and Freedom Discussion 2, on the calendar. So if for some reason you overlooked it as well because of an oversight on my part, I will allow you to turn it in and I will not issue late penalty for that. So that is the Automation and Freedom discussion, which involves the chart, which some of you have already completed with the paragraph. So if you have completed it, no worries there. Just move on to the next thing. For this week, you will be working on composing your essay on automation and freedom, and you will be conducting a peer review where you'll be posting your essay on the discussion board as you did before. You'll be highlighting or underlining your thesis, and also make sure that you highlight or underline anything that's quoted or paraphrased in the body so that your peers can easily detect it. Make sure that you review the drafts of 2 of your classmates or more, but a minimum would be 2, and give some kind of response that are give helpful responses that might help them. You did a great job of, maybe it's the thesis that they composed that was wonderful, or maybe they need to work on something, or if there was a part that was confusing to you, please note that for your peers. And the final draft of your essay will be due at the end of the week. Please check the calendar for the specific day and time. And again, this is regarding automation and freedom, or the module essay, A World Without Work. You'll be referring to Derek Thompson's article, A World Without Work, in your essay. Many of the different authors discuss different aspects of work. They discuss different aspects of technology and work and how our work will be impacted by these kinds of technological changes in the future. So I'd like you to really take a look at those. So here is the prompt. Respond to the issues raised in Thompson's article. Begin, of course, with a thesis in the last line of your introduction that really focuses on your opinion about your argument. Make sure that that is the last sentence of your introduction. Here's the question. Does automation via technological advancement mean more poverty, more freedom, more happiness, a workforce with different skill sets? So that's what you may want to focus on. Now, if you also have been following the Swansea University live discussions and talks, you may also focus your essay on that. Maybe you can do a comparative essay on how the United States views work versus how the people of Wales view work. So here is an option. You will need to do some outside research on the work and the technological culture of Wales. And I don't know if you'll find anything specifically on Swansea, but definitely on Wales or the UK or England. I will take any of the neighboring areas of England, of the United Kingdom. I would like you to attend at least one of the live sessions from Swansea University and view some of their recordings. And here is the question or the prompt for your essay. How are the technological advancements between the US and Wales, the United Kingdom, similar or different? How are the ideas about work similar or different? Which country seems to encourage greater work-life balance and why? For whether or not you choose the first prompt or the second, you still do need to utilize Thompson's examples in considering your answers. Please support your argument with body paragraphs that can summarize information from Thompson, can also integrate outside information. You will also provide your own analysis, your own examples, your personal examples perhaps, and research to help you. You do need to incorporate at least one additional source from the module, any of the essays from the module to support your essay, and of course 3 additional sources from your independent research. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.